Randall the Raindrop. This is Randall the Raindrop. He's just a kid, and he is about to go through the water cycle. Randall lives in a cloud with all of his brothers and sisters. Randall's mom tells him it's getting too crowded in the cloud, and to be careful not to fall out. One day, some new neighbors move in. The cloud is too crowded. Randall and a few other raindrops fall out. This stage is called precipitation. Randall falls from the cloud into a lake. This is called collection. Randall loves his new home, and he has a lot of room to swim with his new friends. But Randall misses his home in the cloud and his mom. One day, the sun was so hot, the raindrops started to get too hot, and Randall began to float up. This is called evaporation. When this happened, Randall floated back up to his old house, the cloud. He missed it very much. The end.